one sector you have to call out for the next few weeks, what would it be? Would it be metals? Would it be something else?
So at the current juncture, if you're asking me, I would look at IT stocks.
IT stocks. Okay. Interesting. And why is that so? Just the perk up in trade today? Is there something structural you're seeing?
So that 2 weeks or 3 weeks of price correction for these IT stocks, many of them had fallen down by 7-8%, 10%. And now today's up move of 3-4% is starting to look attractive because we could be now looking at a retest of the previous highs for many of these IT names. So as a trade setup, for the next few weeks, we could be looking at 5% to 8%, which could be a decent gain for a short-term trader over the next few weeks.
And Amrish, coming to metals with you, how would you play it? Ferrous, non-ferrous, or some of the niche plays?
No, in fact, I would play ferrous, which is Tata Steel and SAIL. Tata Steel, I think, we should see levels of about 245, 250 again in the medium to longer term. And in the non-ferrous side, I would surely look at Hindalco, where we have seen a decent move already, but still, I think at least another 100, 150 rupee further move is there as far as Hindalco is concerned. And when we talk of Hindustan Copper or Hindustan Zinc, there I would be a bit skeptical at this point of time. Hindustan Zinc, again, I don't see much of an upside from here. And Hindustan Copper, anyway, that overfill that happened, so possibly the upside is limited.
Okay. I want to quiz you with regard to pharma as well. Ambrish, what's the take there? How would you play pharma at this point of time? You look at some of the stocks, right? I'm just looking at the 6-month chart of Glenmark. Stock is up 20% in a market like this. Divi's has been a non-stop runner as well. So those are your top 2 gainers on the pharma index today alone. How are you looking at pharma overall?
There, in fact, I'll go with the large boys which haven't moved too much in the last year and a half. Something like Dr Reddy's is something I would look at the current juncture, and even possibly Lupin at the current levels upside of about 2400 to 2600. And what I still believe is that as far as tariffs are concerned, they cannot just touch the Indian pharma companies. Whatever said and done, they can't afford to have like health or medical inflation in US. So whatever talks will happen in between would be just statements coming. It's not going to affect the Indian pharma companies at all.
Could you